Hey, welcome back. In this video we are going to add comments into our posts, and it should be pretty fun. So let's get to it. First, what we want is to make a comment model and a migration and all that stuff. So let's do it right now. I'm in my blog. Let's say PHP artisan make model comment. And I want to make a migration for it, and I want a controller, and that controller will be a resource controller. So let's get to it. The model was created, the migration was created, and let's wait for the controller, and there it is. Okay, let's go into Sublime and let's go into our model. And where is it? This is our new comment model. So in here, what we basically want to do is to associate it with a post. So basically, it's a belongs to association. So let's do it. The function name would be what shall we say? Post. Just a general post. Let's see if it's okay. Let's delete this. In here, what we want to say is to return $this belongs to the app and the post. So we can do it like so: app/post. Okay, this looks fine. We can save this. In our post model, we want to link the post in here too. So after the users, we can say what can we say? hasMany. This is a hasMany relationship. So let's do it like so. The function name will be comments. And let's we can delete this in here. Let's delete this one, and let's say return $this has many and comments. So like so, app/comment. Okay, this looks fine. Let's close this, and this looks okay. And now let's go into our migration and set the migration. So in our database, let's close this. In our database, migrations, and create comments migrations. After the ID, what we want, basically we want the name of the person, so $table, and the string of name, like so. And the next one, let's say what we want the email for that person. We can do an email. Okay, let's add the email, $table email, and this will be also a string email, like so. And the body of the comment itself, so that's $table string, and no string, it will be text, sorry, because it's long, text. And let's say comment. And what else should we say? We need a link to that comment, so $table, and $table, let's say integer, and the post ID, so we can reference the ID of the post. post ID, and it should be unsigned. Okay, and the timestamps, this looks fine. And what I want you to do next in here, I want you after this schema, we can go right below the schema and write schema table and comments like so. And after this one we have a function. Well, we have a function with the door table, and in here like so we can say $table, a foreign key. We have a foreign key inside of here. So what we basically have to do is to reference that post ID references. This references the ID column of the posts. So on posts, and let's say on delete, we can say cascade. Okay, this looks fine. What else should we put? We should also make a drop statement. So let's say schema for our, let's say drop, what shall we say, drop foreign, and the foreign is post ID. So we need to do it inside an array. Like so, and this should look this should be okay. Let's find out. References. Okay, let's try and migrate this like so. Drop foreign, save it, and let's say let's migrate. PHP artisan migrate. Okay, syntax error. What? Wait a minute. Okay, the error was I forgot to close this. So let's save it and let's run it once again. Not this one. Let's minimize this. Open this and let's try it again. Okay, I can see a little problem. Wait a minute. Okay, I think the problem is I made the double $sign. Let's save it now. Okay, this looks fine. This looks fine. This references. Okay, let's try and migrate. Like so, and let's say PHP artisan migrate. Okay, then it was migrated successfully. Let's go inside our database real quick, and let's manage instance and cancel this. Go into blog. Let's see blog tables, and here we go. Our comments table. Okay, our foreign keys is comments post ID. This is the foreign keys. Okay, and after this we can move into our let's say what should we do now. Let's go into our view. Let's close this. Inside our resources, views, and under the B and the S, where should we put it? After this, the horizontal file. Okay, after, let's take this down a bit. In here, after the body, let's create let's say inside our call md8, like so. We want our comments, so let's give it an ID of let's say comments form, and let's create the form. So let's do inside an h1, let's say tell us what you think, and after this one we can say what should we do. We need a form in order to create the post, so let's say form. The action would be let's say route, our route file, like so, and this should be to our store function. So that's comments.store. We will create this in a moment. Comments.store, and with the post ID, so $post ID. The method would be a post. Okay, this looks fine, and it should be a CSRF field. Okay, like so, and in a row, dot row, and inside of a form group, let's say label of name, for name, and the class would be call md4 of control label, like so, and it will be name. After this, what we want, we need an input of type text, and the name would be name, like so, and the class would be form control. Okay, this looks fine. After this form group, after this one, we can, let's copy this, copy everything, and let's paste it right here. Okay, and what should we do in here? We should do email, and it would be email, like so, type email. Okay, and the name is email. And our comment, let's go, let's copy this one, and this should be a text area. Okay, wait a minute. For comment, let's say comment. Okay, comment here, and it's not an input, it's a text area, and the name, let's say comment. The ID, we don't need an ID. Okay, what is this? Let's close this, although it's pretty good, but never mind. The class is form control, let's give a nice placeholder of let's say have your say, like so. And what should we do next? This looks fine. And after the text area we want a button after the text area. Okay, we want a button of type submit. Type submit. The name would be let's give it submit comment. Okay, and the class would be btn, let's say btn default, and btn block. Okay, this looks fine. And let's say add comment. Okay, this looks fine. After the form, what else should we do is basically let's see after this one, let's say HR, let's give it a nice horizontal rule, and let's display all the comments. So at for each, and what we want before the for each, let's say dot call md8. Okay, inside of let's say an h2, we'll say number of comments, and within a span tag, span, and a small tag also. Within this, let's say within double curly braces, $post comments, $post comments, and the count the comments after this one. Okay, this looks fine. Should give us a nice little reference. So in here at for each $post of with comments, $post comments as $comment. Okay, let's give it let's say this will be for the styling, but we'll give it right away. So dot comment. Inside of this one, we'll say dot author, like so. Author. Okay, inside of here, I'm gonna give you a nice little thing you can do. Let's say img, an image tag. The source, write it exactly like this one. It's a Gravatar. So let's say https, like so, and www.gravatar.com/avatar. Okay, you can say right now slash, and after the slash dot, and then md5. We can hash this. So str to lower, str to lower, like so, and the string will be our trim function. Trim dollar comment, sorry, dollar comment, what is this, control Z, comment with the email. Okay, and after this let's concatenate it with the nice Gravatar. Okay, like so. And what should we do it in this one? We can say $s. It's exactly out of WordPress. $s equals to 50. You can search it online, and add d equals to Gravatar, and the class, let's give it a class of what should we say, class equals to what should we say, author image, author img. You can delete this. Okay, and after this one, after the image, inside of an h3, let's say the name of the person, dollar comment name, and after, right above, right below this, within a small tag, you can say added at, and after this you can say dollar comment created at. Okay, like so. This looks fine. Oh, this should be inside of here. Control X, Control V. Okay, this looks fine. Created at. This is the author, and beneath the author, let's see. Beneath the author, beneath the comment. Okay, let's do a class dot author name, and paste this right inside the author name, like so. Can delete these spaces, and after the author name, this is inside of our author. Okay, this looks fine. After the author, let's say comment dot comment body. Okay, inside of here we can say strip tags. Okay, from the comment. Okay, so dollar comment, what, wait, comment, dollar comment, and comment. Okay, this looks fine. We can close the div. Okay, we can end the for each loop. After let's see the div, the comment. After the comment, okay, we can add end for each. Okay, let's hope this is fine, and we can go inside our comment controller. Sorry, app HTTP controllers and comment controller. Inside our store function, this is the only thing that matters. Okay, what should we do? Let's say inside our store, where is it store function, let's say $this, and validate, we need to validate the request. So $request, like so, within an array of let's what should we do inside there, sorry, not this one, go down here, and inside the array, let's close this right now. We want to validate the name, validate the name, and it will be from the request, it will be required. It will be required, and the max of 255, max of 255, like so, and the email will be also required, and it should be an email too, so we can copy this, but add an email in here, and the max of 255, and the comment is the comment is required, and a minimum of, let's say, 5, and a maximum of let's say, what do you want, 1,500. Okay, let's go wild. Okay, we can close this one, we can close this one, let's put it right here so we can know it's closed, and beneath this, let's say $comment equals to new comment, equals to new comment, new comment, and we want to use it, use app slash comment, use app comment. Okay, this one refers to, okay, app comment, it's okay. So $post would be inside our post. We want to also use our post, use post, and let's use sessions also, use session. Okay, $post equals to post. We want to find it, and it reminds me, let's in here, let's say $PID, that's post ID. Let's find the post by the $PID, like so, and after this $comment of name, the name equals to $request, and the name, like so, and $comment of the email is also the request, dollar request from the email. Okay, and what else should we do? The comment, of course, dollar comment of comment is the request equals to dollar request of comment. Okay, and dollar comment post, like so. You can see it's related to the comments right here. It's defined inside our comment, so we need to associate like so with the dollar post. So dollar post. Okay, this looks fine, and right now we can save the comment. Save. Okay, and let's flash a session flash of the success, and let's say comment added successfully. Okay, and after this one, let's return a redirect inside to our Slack. So redirect inside the route of the Slack. What am I doing? Redirect route Slack, or we can say, actually we can say redirect back, you know. Let's try this, redirect back. Okay, route, oh, we didn't define the routes, sorry about that. Let's go into our routes and web. Let's just copy one of these ones, copy post into what should we say? We can say let's see, we can delete this. Inside of here, let's say comments slash let's say PID like so, and it will go into our comment controller. Comment controller at store, and it will be comments.store. We can save this. Let's see if what it gives us now. Okay, tell us what you think. We have a nice little I can see a little error because of the call MD8 and call MD4, but it's fine. We can add this later. So let's try and add our name. Let's say gabmic, like so, and the email is gabmicdev@gmail.com. Okay, hear what you say. Our first comment. Let's try and add a comment. Okay, the comment was successfully added, and in here, okay, number of comments 1, gabmic, but we don't see the comment. Let's see, trying sessions, tell what you think. The comment body, we don't see it right here, but we see it in here. Okay, where is it? Did we save it? like so. Let's return to this in here. This saves it like so in here. Let's go into our comments. Okay, our first comment, post ID is 6. It is saved and everything is working, but we don't display it. Why? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? We need to display number of comments. Post as comment, comment author, author name, image. Where is the dollar post? In here, strip tags. Okay, what's going on? Wait a minute. Okay, as you can see, it's added very nicely, but the reason why we didn't see it was because of this. I added a padding bottom of 100 pixels because if you remember when we did the bottom, the footer, this is a static it's a static bottom navbar, and it's actually gone like so because it overlaps the tags. So what you can do is to go into your let's say into your style sheet, your CSS page, and it will be okay. So I'll see you in the next time, and bye bye.